Hey friends, Daniel here with the Leadpages tech team bringing you today's tech tip. With the release of Apple's iOS 14 and subsequent security standards that have been put in place, you may need to verify your domain with Facebook in order to run an ad. During this tech tip, let's dive into verifying a domain with Facebook. Just a quick note now before we get to the fun. This process only needs to be done once on a page or site you have published as your domain's homepage. If you have multiple domains connected in your Leadpages account, you should repeat this process if you intend to use them for Facebook ads. So first thing we'll want to do is make sure to publish a landing page as the homepage of our domain or publish a site to our domain. Now to publish a site to our domain, we just head to the site section of our Leadpages account, go into our site by clicking on the site name or the pencil icon that appears here, and in the top right corner of the builder, click on the Publish button. For our particular case though, I'm going to go ahead and use my landing page that I already have created and published here called Facebook Domain Verification, and I'm going to go under the domain section of my Leadpages account to set this page as the homepage of my domain. So what I want to do to set the homepage is for my domain here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the little drop down arrow, and from that point, select a homepage. So on the modal that appears, I'm going to click into the homepage field where it says select a page, and I'm going to select my page name and save. Now from this point, we'll want to navigate to our Facebook business account domain settings. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up here for us now. And we're going to click on add and enter our Leadpages domain address or our connected domain address. So in my particular case here, I'm going to come back to my Leadpages account and I'll just go ahead and copy this and head back into the Facebook business account domain settings. Now I'm going to input that URL here and I'm going to go ahead and click add. From this point, we want to make sure to select the meta tag option. So we'll see a drop down menu here. We want to make sure meta tag is selected. And we want to go ahead and copy this meta tag. So go ahead and copy that. It's copied to my clipboard now. At this point, we're going to head back to our Leadpages account, go to the page that I set as my homepage. So in my particular case, this was a landing page, the Facebook domain verification page. And I'm going to jump into the builder and I'm going to add that meta tag code under settings, analytics, and that head section tracking code section. And then from that point, I want to make sure to save and update my page. This would be the same step if you're doing it in a site. You just go into your site and go to settings, analytics, paste that code in, save, and then update your site as well. Now, after updating our page or site, we'll want to head back into the Facebook business account domain settings and we'll click verify. After this, we should receive a message like we're seeing that says our domain has been verified. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this tech tip. Don't forget, if you have any questions, our knowledge base and support team are just a click away within your Leadpages account.